Hi everyone, my name is Becca Mottweiler and I'm going to talk about the data analytics today. So first I'm just going to give you a straightforward definition. According to Margaret Ruse on whatis.com, data analytics is the process of examining data sets in order to draw conclusions about the information they contain, increasingly with the aid of specialized systems and software. So that is just a straightforward definition, but I'm going to explain it a little more so we can understand it more. So there's many things that fall into the category of data analytics. For example, data mining, artificial intelligence, and predictive analytics are all types of data analytics. A form of data analytics that we've been learning about is predictive analytics. So we just did group projects over these, and it helps explain it a little more. During these group presentations, I personally learned that predictive analytics is more broadly data analytics, and that predictive analytics is pretty much everywhere. One of the groups talked about how it relates to sports and how it relates to tennis, for example, how you have to guess how your opponent is going to serve. In that same group, they talked about how it relates to volleyball. You also have to predict what the other team is going to send you, which I thought was really cool because I never thought about it like that before. Another example is social media. We all use social media. The example that they gave was Netflix. So when you watch something on Netflix, Netflix then generates other stuff for you to watch based on that show. So other preferences that are like that show. And then in my group personally, we talked about predictive analytics in an apartment complex setting. But most importantly, data analytics is used in accounting, and it can be used to predict many things. One main thing that people think about is just predicting the accounts receivables that won't be collected, but it can be used in other aspects of accounting as well. To expand more specifically on the predictive analytics aspect, there are certain models that it follows. One model that my group expanded on was the Uplift model. This model pretty much groups people into 4 separate groups: the do not disturb, sure things, lost causes, and the persuadables. The purpose of this model is to figure out who you should target with your marketing campaign and who you shouldn't waste your money on. Using the apartment complex example, each of the renters fall into one category. There are do not disturbs and lost causes. Those are the people you don't waste your money on because contacting them, either A, they were never going to re-sign at the apartment complex anyways, or B, you just reminded them to go find somewhere else to sign their lease before it's too late. Basically, a waste of money either way, so you don't want to contact either of those people. The next one are the sure things. These people are also a waste of money to contact because they are sure things. They were already going to re-sign whether they got one of your coupons or they didn't. The persuadables is the last category, and that's really where you want to focus your marketing campaign. These are the people that are on the fence about maybe re-signing their lease. If you contact these people with a discount, a coupon, anything like that, you might persuade them to re-sign their lease there. If you never contact these people, then they're not going to re-sign their lease. The concept of putting these people into categories and then basing your marketing campaign off of those categories is something that can be applied to every aspect of business. Stores do it with coupons, like I said. Netflix does it with your choices, and so it's everywhere, even if you don't notice it. The whole point of predictive analytics is to predict the customer's behavior so the firm can maximize profits. You can use that just about anywhere. Another big aspect of data analytics is data mining. Data mining is the practice of examining large databases in order to generate new information. Data mining is used in almost every industry. You can see it in banking, insurance, education. A few examples in banking is that they use it to understand market risks, detect fraud quicker, and get the best return on investment. So those are really important things in the banking industry, and so data mining is pretty important to them. So those are just 2 important aspects of data analytics. Like I said, there are many, many more that we could talk about all day, but those are 2 really important ones that I think you can see in your life every single day. And most times you are using data analytics and you don't even know it.